Traveling in 2025 is amazing. You've got AI tools planning your trip, new budget airlines, and endless destinations to explore. But here's the catch. With higher prices, tighter schedules, and more digital scams, travel can also get stressful and expensive. That's why today I'm sharing the top travel tips for 2025 that will save you both money and stress, so your next trip feels smooth from takeoff to touchdown. Tip 1. Use AI for smarter planning. Imagine asking AI to build your dream trip in seconds. Tools like Google's AI itineraries or flight predictors help you find the cheapest days to fly and even hidden hotel discounts. No more 12 open tabs at once. Just smart, stress-free planning. Tip 2. Book flexible flights and stays. Prices in 2025 are unpredictable. One week they're sky high, the next they drop. That's why flexibility is key. Choose tickets with free changes or stays that let you cancel last minute. Flexibility equals freedom and way less stress when plans shift. Tip 3. Pack light, travel smart. Picture yourself at the airport. Everyone else is paying $50 for checked luggage and you breeze through with just a carry-on. Packing light not only saves money, it saves time. Plus, smart travel gear in 2025 means lighter suitcases, foldable gadgets, and even AI-powered packing apps that tell you exactly what to bring. Tip 4. Digital safety first. Public Wi-Fi at airports and cafes is still a hacker's playground. Always use a VPN, disable AutoConnect, and carry a portable hotspot. Think of it as travel armor. You protect your passwords, your bank info, and your peace of mind. Tip 5. Local hacks and rewards. Here's where the fun begins. Download local transport apps instead of overpaying taxis. Use credit cards with travel rewards. Points can cover flights, hotels, even airport lounges. And don't skip local markets. They're cheaper than tourist traps and way more authentic.